welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a while since I did one of these videos, but I need to do some baking. I'm gonna be doing some stuff for breakfast, I believe, making some muffins, and then possibly doing some prepping for like smoothies or sandwiches. Our routine is gonna be changing a little bit. So I'm trying to sort of just get back in the rhythm of doing some cooking and stuff since having baby Oakland. She is napping right now, for those of you curious. So I'm gonna try and get some things done. I might also just consider this like a getting it all done type of video and do some cleaning and whatnot in here so you can get a lot of motivation. And if you're new, I would love if you would subscribe if you like these kind of videos. I try to upload at least twice a week. Tuesdays and Fridays is my goal right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my muffins. They're super easy. I'm getting it off of Pinterest, but I've made them before via a friend who had told me about them. You use pumpkin, like canned pumpkin, a cake mix, and chocolate chips. That's pretty much it. All right, so it's a little while later. It took me a while to get the muffins done. Oakland is kind of fighting sleep a little bit right now. When she gets overtired, it seems like she just can't settle down. Like she'll fall asleep just a little bit and then she'll like wake up again. So I was definitely kind of tied up with that this morning, but that's okay. I did get the muffins out and this is what they're looking like. I have not tried them yet. They look pretty orange to me, so I'm gonna see how pumpkin-y they taste. I kind of forget. I know the one kind I made before were really good. They were very moist. I know you can also do like a chocolate cake mix. So I'm getting ready to have a cup of coffee. It's almost noon actually, so I didn't drink my whole cup this morning, so I decided while she's napping, I'm gonna try and drink a little bit of coffee and try one of these. So I'll let you know how they taste. They're pretty good. The chocolate chips definitely add something, so I would not leave those out, definitely. But I think I might try it with chocolate next time and see if I can get that to turn out. There's also other recipes on Pinterest that you could try. Maybe they add like bananas or eggs or something. But in any case, these are really easy and they're good to me at least. So the next thing I'm gonna make is some breakfast sandwiches. I'm gonna be using English muffins and I'm gonna cook some eggs and then put them together and probably freeze them. I have actually never really done this before, I don't think. And I found a recipe from the Pioneer Woman on Pinterest, and I'm gonna kind of use her version of it. I also think Megan Fox made something similar, at least, on her channel. So if you want more ideas, you can go check out her video. I only got like one bag of the sandwiches because it's gonna be kind of a trial for me as far as figuring out if we actually like them. And I only have bacon to use for the topping, so we're gonna try it, see what my husband thinks. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just putting eggs, cheese, and some bacon on it. And I even cheated and just used the pre-cooked stuff. I'm heating it up a little bit, but yeah, it's challenging right now with a newborn. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna wrap them and put them in the freezer. Hello, baby. Hello. What are you doing? You've been a little fussy today. Huh? You decided to get over it? Huh? You like your little swing? She's usually in here for a little bit, and then she'll get tired of it, and I'll take her out again. And we've been doing a lot of cuddling, haven't we? Okay, so I've got about 7 smoothie packs ready to go. I should have had some bananas, but I didn't have any right now. And then once I'll get ready to make them, I'll add some juice and some yogurt, most likely. So alright, next thing I'm gonna make is some baked oatmeal. I love baked oatmeal and I haven't made some in a long time. And I know I've shown this on my channel before, but I am gonna be making it out of a cookbook, one of our Amish cookbooks, so I can't really give you guys the recipe necessarily. But it's out of the Simply Wonderful cookbook. It's based out of Pennsylvania. I'll try to link it below, but I'm just using a baked oatmeal recipe out of there. Stuff. Kara was here a little while and Nick is home and stuff now, so I've got some backup. I'm gonna try and finish it tonight, guys. Okay, so I just decided to make some cottage cheese jello salad. This is not breakfast related, but I have 2 containers of cottage cheese and some whipped topping and plenty of jello. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some. If you've never made this before, it's literally the easiest thing. And I personally am not a big fan of plain cottage cheese. I can eat it in stuff, but I don't really like it just plain. So this is like a dessert, but it's maybe a tad healthier, but then again, maybe not. In any case, it's really good and it's so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir some up and then we'll just have some to kind of eat if we're, you know, wanting a little bit something. I'm gonna use strawberry, I think. I've never done strawberry before. We'll see how it works. I might actually mix a little bit of orange in here just to make sure I have enough. So I just tasted a little bit and I think it's gonna be okay. Usually I would use like orange or something and you could mix mandarin oranges in it, or I saw a recipe I think they use the strawberry jello and they put some like crushed pineapple in, which I don't think I have any, but you can kind of, you know, do what you want with it. But whipped topping, cottage cheese, and jello. Once it sits in the fridge a little bit, it'll get like thicker and harder. So right now it's still a little like, I don't know how you call it, creamy, but it'll get a little harder once you put it in the fridge. But it shouldn't be like completely hard or anything. It's just more of a little bit, it's got a little bit more texture to it, or I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. I'm also gonna try my hand at some yogurt bark. I've never done any, and I don't have a lot of fresh fruit that I could use, but I do have some blueberries and stuff that I can use, so I'm gonna try it. And I just found this recipe off of Pinterest. I'll try to link some things down below if I can. Just put some of this white chocolate sauce on it. I really don't know about the concoction. I should have some strawberries, but you know, I'm just making do with what I have. The blueberries actually were on the way out anyway, so I'm glad to be able to use them up. So now I'm just gonna pop it in the freezer for a little while, and then we'll hopefully have some good yogurt bark. Alright, a different day, different outfit. But I never finished out the video yesterday. I didn't get a whole lot else done besides the kitchen stuff and a couple of random things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it motivating, and I will try to leave as many of the links or recipes down below as I can. I might not have it for everything, but if you have a question, let me know. I'll try to do my best. So that's gonna be it. If you're new, consider subscribing and make sure you hit the little notification bell. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up because that helps me out and just shows me if you guys, you know, enjoy these kind of videos and stuff. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.